Welcome again to the channel. In this video I will show you how to unlock all the hidden features and tools of the Dexscreener website. Millions of people use Dexscreener to monitor the price and various on-chain data of crypto tokens. It's a great website to search for the next $1 million token, but many users are not aware of all its features. Now that we enter the bull market with Bitcoin, Solana and memecoins reaching all-time highs, we need to take advantage of all the tools that Dexscreener has to offer. Start by connecting your wallet or your Google account to Dexscreener to access functions like transaction tracking, real-time data, insider wallets and multiple watch lists. If you want to use Dexscreener on your mobile phone or iPad, there's an Apple and an Android app available, which is handy to check the markets when you're away from your computer. Creating a watchlist to keep track of potential tokens to trade is simple. Click the Manage button to make watchlists for different tokens like Ethereum, Solana, Base or Binance Smart Chain, and quickly overview the gainers and losers. With the multi-chart tool, you can track multiple tokens and monitor price movements in your portfolio in real time, so you don't have to switch between different charts. Click on the new pairs and the gainers and losers to see the latest coins and use the tabs at the top to see the different blockchain tokens. All the networks are listed on the left side. Just click on a link to show all the tokens for that blockchain. You can narrow down the selection even more by using the filter. For example, you can select Solana coins on Radium, put in a minimum and a maximum market cap, put in the liquidity, the volume, the pair age and so on. There are different options depending on your trading strategy. For scalping, you want newer coins with a low market cap, and for long-term holding, you want older coins with a high market cap. I recommend picking coins below the 100,000 market cap if you have a small budget, or 1 to 10 million market cap for larger portfolios. I have videos on my channel for all the different trading strategies, so go watch them if you want to know the best setup. Let's open a chart and check the 5-minute time frame to see what's going on. If the token pair liquidity is locked and burned, you will see a green circle. If you don't see a circle, the team can print unlimited tokens and dump the price, so leave and go find something else. Also, check that the market cap and the liquidity is sufficient. If you buy a token, you want to be sure there's enough liquidity in the market for when you want to sell. Otherwise, you are left with a bag of tokens that nobody wants to buy. Avoid tokens with low liquidity at all costs, even if the market cap looks promising. A good token has social accounts like a website, Twitter, and a Telegram channel with a strong community. Click on the social labels to see if the accounts are active or fake, or copy and paste the token address in Twitter search to see how many accounts are talking about the coin. The more activity, the better. If nobody cares about the token, then it will be very hard to trade it. In the audit are any potential warnings about the token, but don't rely on this information. If you want to know if a token is a scam token, use the RugCheck website instead. Paste the token contact address in the submission form, click check and you will see if the token is safe. Below the audit you can see if the token is taken over by the community or if the dev is still in control. I prefer trading community tokens because after a takeover the dev and top holders have sold out their position, so there is less chance that the price will dump. Click on the watch list to add a token to your list, and if you set an alert, you can receive an instant notification when a token reaches a certain price or market cap. If you have your wallet connected, you can use the buy and sell buttons, but I would not trade on Dexscreener. I recommend trading on a real exchange like Bullex or Photon, or use a Telegram bot like TradeWiz, because Dexscreener is slow and your orders will likely not go through. Below you can see technical details like the token age and the contact address, which you can copy to use on other websites. You can also click on the copy icon next to the token pair to copy the address. Click search on Twitter to see what people are saying about the token, and if you tap on other pairs, you will see a list of all the clones. Make sure to always trade the original token, because in most cases you will get scammed if you trade a clone token. In the holders section below the chart, we do not want to see big numbers. If the top 10 wallets hold more than 20% of the total supply, they can manipulate the price, so stay away. Now let's take a closer look at the chart to see what's going on in the market. Is the price in an uptrend, or are there more sellers than buyers causing a downtrend? Use the toolbox on the left side to select the horizontal line and draw a line below the previous low and a line above the previous high. If the price is bouncing off support and climbing back to the resistance line, we are in an uptrend. A good entry to place a trade would be just above the support line when you see a few green candles appear, indicating that traders supporting the price. If the price falls below support and no green candles come in, then do not stop in. Monitor the transactions. If there is little activity or the last trade was a few hours ago, that's a bad sign. On the other hand, if traders are putting in orders every few seconds, there's a good chance that the token will move up. Of course, meme coins are risky and volatile, and nobody can predict the future. You need some experience to know what's going on in a chart and don't expect to win all your trades. It won't happen. Check how the top trader wallets are doing. If they have received their tokens for free and sold them for a lot of profits, these are insiders who can control the price. Use the Bubble Maps tool to see all the bundled and connected wallets. A bundled wallet can buy tokens in separate orders, driving up the price artificially. When you as a trader see a token go up in price, you will want to buy in, but the main wallet can sell all the tokens in the bundled wallets in one take and you're done. If you see a top trader wallet that bought tokens cheap and sold them for good profits, click the funnel icon to display all the trades on the chart. If that wallet bought tokens at the beginning of the chart, then we found an insider. Click the wallet link and SoulScan will open a page where we can do some in-depth research. We can see how much Solana is in the wallet, which tokens the wallet has in the portfolio, and on the transfers page, more details will show up, like the time when a trade took place and for how much money a specific token was bought or sold. You can also use the GMGN website to do this research. Paste the address in the form to see the recent trades, the overall profit and loss, the win rate and much more. If it is a profitable wallet, an active wallet, you can follow it or add it to your wallet tracker so you get an instant notification when the wallet makes a move. Or you can copy trade the wallet with TradeWiz. The links to all the websites and bots in this video are below in the description. Dexscreener offers some amazing data and insights, but it's up to you to use them well. Take what you just learned and start exploring Dexscreener. Just watch out to not get addicted. Trading meme coins all day can drain you out. I recommend you set a budget and stick to it. You can create a new wallet with one sol in it and trade until you double your initial or reach another target. Then take out the Solana that you made, send it back to your other wallet and leave the charts. The next day you can use the same wallet with one Solana to trade until you reach your goal. If you don't take out your profits immediately, you will lose it all the next time. I have seen it happen in every market, even in Forex and stocks. Traders who start making money think they know how it works and start gambling. They have this strange idea that the money they made from trading is free money and become risk averse. Keeping a tight discipline is so important in trading. If you lose a lot of money, stop trading. There will be other opportunities. When I trade, my stop loss and take profit orders are set, and if I make money, it's fine. If I get stopped out, that's fine too. If you're new, start trading with little money, like 0.05 sol per trade, just to get a hang of it. The first 100 trades will work against you and cost you a lot of money, but don't give up. As you become more experienced, you will learn how to recognize a good coin, understand the market, and you will start making tiny bits of money. Consider your losses as learning money. Okay, enough pep talk for now. If you learned something from this video, please leave a like or subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get all my latest videos first. Trade safe and have a great day. Bye bye.